Realtors, are you tired of jumping from one lead generation system to another? I know firsthand how frustrating it can be when you're not able to come up with a predictable and consistent way of making money and growing your real estate business. My name is Kelly Norris, and I'm a licensed real estate broker. And for over 30 years, I've been helping agents just like you solve this problem and increase their annual incomes by $500,000 or more with my RDS Growth System. I developed this system to help real estate agents and even entire brokerages scale their businesses once and for all so that they would never again be worried about where their next deal was coming from or how to get them closed. My RDS Growth System is a guaranteed and proven way of generating and converting quality leads into deals predictively and consistently month after month and year after year. Other so-called lead generation companies aren't even real estate agents and literally have no idea what it even means to be a realtor. They just take your money, generate random leads, don't provide systems or training, and then you end up with absolutely nothing. Why would you ever trust someone with your hard-earned money that doesn't have any knowledge or experience in the real estate business? It makes no sense. I've put together a free training on my website to show you exactly how to set these systems up and crush it in 2025 and beyond. Stop the insanity and click the link below and check out this free training. Believe me, you'll be glad you did.